Our question says this, that our utility function is given to be equals to u equals to xy. Now we have to compare MRS at 2, 5 and 5, 2, and we have to find out whether MRS is diminishing or not. In the second question, it's being asked, will a convex combination of these two bundles will ever give you a same or better utility? Okay, so let's try to see what exactly is being asked. Your u is equal to xy. Okay, now how do you find out MRS? MRS is the slope of the utility function, okay, indifference curve at a given utility, okay, and this is equal to minus mu x upon mu y. Okay, how do you find out mu x? Del u by del x upon del u by del y. Okay, what is del u by del x in this case? Y. What is del u by del y in this case? X. Okay, now you just put 2, 5. Okay, so it is minus 5 by 2. Okay, which is equal to minus 2.5. Okay, similarly, if you find out MRS at 5, 2, okay, the entire thing would remain same till this point, and once you substitute, okay, y by x at say 5, 2, you should be getting this minus 2 by 5, which is nothing but equal to minus 0.4. So this is falling. So it is falling from 2.5 to 0.4. So yeah, so this is falling from 2.5 to 0.4, and hence it proves that MRS is actually diminishing. Okay, MRS is diminishing. That is, earlier if you even see this, that earlier you had less amount of x and more amount of y. Okay, now you have more amount of x and less amount of y. So at this point, when you are at 2, 5, okay, you would be willing to trade or give up more and more unit of y in order to get one more unit of x. Just see this at 2, 5, what is happening? At 2, 5, what is happening? You have less amount of x and more amount of y. Okay, so you would be willing to trade more and more unit of y in order to get one more unit of x. Well, once you have come up to this point, that is at 5, 2. Okay, now at this point also, your x is more and y is less. So you'll be willing to trade less and less amount of y, because y is a scarce commodity now. So you'll be willing to trade less amount of y in order to get one more unit of x. So MRS is diminishing in this case. MRS is diminishing. Okay. Now the other thing which has been asked is that, will a convex combination, okay, by a convex combination at this stage, assume this is a midpoint of the two bundles. So what would be the midpoint of the two bundles? Okay, so see, midpoint is also a convex combination when you are supposing this, that the line is being divided in the ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, that is there, or 1:1. So what is being said is, so midpoint, how do you find out midpoint? Your x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is what? 5 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 7 by 2. And 5 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 7 by 2. Okay, so this is your midpoint. Now remember this, when you were comparing these MRSs, okay, in the earlier question, okay, what was your utility? Okay, what is your utility at 0.25? Just plug it in here. In place of x, just write 2, in place of y, just write 5. So your utility was 10. Now in this place, 5 and 2, again your utility is 10. Now in this case, 7 by 2, 7 by 2, what is that? 49 by 4. I've done just nothing. You have the utility u equals to xy, and I have plugged in 7 by 2 in place of x and 7 by 2 in place of y. Okay, and what I got was 49 by 4. Okay, so what exactly is this? So this is definitely greater than 10. okay, because this is something like 12 point something something, which is greater than 10. So yes, a convex combination of the two bundles will provide a better utility. So it is providing a better utility.